Tristan.
Welcome back to another exciting and thrill-filled adventure with DIY Nautical Dream. All right, what do we have here, baby?
Oh, we're getting ready to do unboxing.
Okay, and who's it
Given by our paying member, David Stovell. Thank you very much, David.
Thank you very much, David. We really appreciate it. So, David has generously sent us 4 boxes of boat parts. So we're going to unbox those and we'll see what we have here. This is the first for our channel. We have never received anything from anybody other than David has sent us generously 4 boxes of gifts for our boat to do with whatever we can use them on.
Yep. Thank you very much, David. We really appreciate it.
Yes, thank you very much, David. We can't wait to see what's inside these boxes.
We're excited, so let's get on it, honey.
All right, we'll get on it. Let's get the camera set up. We'll do this unboxing video.
All right, so ready to open the first box, honey?
Yes, we're ready. Let's go ahead and get this started. You go first.
Okay. And oh, wow.
I'm going to grab the camera real quick and see what we have here. Oh, man.
Ta-da!
Wow. So what do we have here? Oh my gosh.
It's tailor-made.
That's really nice. Wow, David, thank you very much. It's like brand new. Wow, very nice. Very nice. Okay, great.
So there's more in there, but we will just open one. Is it the same?
I don't know. Take one out and we'll open it.
Oh, dang.
Oh, man.
It's nice. Oh. Wow.
These are exactly
The same with what we have.
wow.
And
That's pretty good timing. We could definitely use those.
And we have 3 in here. Thank you, David.
Thank you so much, David. Wow, that is really nice. Okay, so
Let's put it down.
yeah, and then we'll put this back in there.
Okay.
All right, so we have another box here. So let's.
All right, so you open the next box, honey. Low one.
You want me to do the next one?
Yeah, the low one.
All right, hang on before you. Let's see what's in here. Wow.
More of the lenses.
Dang.
Brand new. Wow.
Wow. More port lights. Wow. Okay, so there's another port light. So that's 4. That's 4 port lights. Wow.
And we got more to go to open. Okay.
Okay, baby, go ahead. You got the next one. Get in a little closer for that action so we can see how she's handling that knife. That makes me a little worried. Careful. Don't cut me. I mean yourself. All right, what do we got here? Wow.
Big.
Oh my gosh.
It's like the hutch, right? For the back.
Oh my. Hang on a second here.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
That's
Another
pretty
one.
Here.
Wow, David.
Thank you, David.
Thank you so much. Let's set that over here. Let's see what else.
So there's...
Ooh, this is a bigger one.
Yep.
Wow, thank you very much. Dang, that is really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like it's never been installed.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Okay, you want to put that back. All right, so you open the last one, honey.
Well, this one's really heavy. Okay, last box. Okay, hang on. Let's get the camera. See what we have here.
Oh, it's a screen.
Oh, window screens, man.
Yeah.
For sure we could use those. Wow. Yep. That is really cool. How many is there? Oh my gosh.
2, 3, 4. There's 5 in here. And more of the port light.
5 screens. Those will come in handy on a hot summer night. Anchored somewhere far off. Tropical.
So we already have 4. More of these here. I think there's 3. Yep, there's 3. So we have 7 total.
Port lights?
Yeah.
3 hatches and 7 port lights. Wow. But we will find a spot for them for sure.
Thank you very much, David.
Thank you so much, David. David, I don't even know what to say. That's just...
We're so speechless.
That's
Thank
really
you very much.
Very nice, very generous of you. We really appreciate that. That is, it's quite a bit of value right there in boat parts, people. If you've ever priced just one of those stainless steel port lights, those are pretty pricey. To mention that I think there's 5 of them, 5 port lights and 3 hatches. Wow, super nice. And the screens, these things right here.
Dude, there's 7 hatches.
Oh, okay.
Not the hatch, but the
port lights.
There's 7 or 8.
7 or 8 port lights, and these little
screen is really handy.
These are priceless. We can put these in the port lights, open them up, and get some air in here without the little critters coming through. Right. Wow. Yeah, David, we're so thankful. Very nice. Really appreciate it. So we just want to say thank you to people, like David. That we haven't had a chance to meet you in person. We hope we will at some point.
But you're very kind,
and generous,
to us.
And you're also a paying member of our channel, the one and only paying member of our channel. And we just really want to say thanks, David. Really appreciate it. We will apply this on the boat. If you become a paying member like David has, we're going to have your name made into one of these teak plaques, and we will apply it on our boat. We're going to pick a wall somewhere where we're going to have paying members. We figure at some point we'll have patrons, and we'll have, we hope, right? Someday we'll probably have patrons. We already have the account set up. We just haven't ever advertised it, but we're not trying to be a holding our hand out type of channel. But if people want to invest in our project, we are more than grateful and thankful, right? So we just...
While he's saying it, I have my finger crossed.
Yeah, we're hopeful, but it's not a requirement. We're not like asking for that. But if people want to, they certainly can, and we would be more than happy. You can always reach out to us by email. The email is in the comments up in the notes section. So you can always reach out to us and talk to us by email. David and myself, we talk back and forth periodically. It's really nice to just hear from people.
Okay, so a little backstory about David. He had...
Irwin 37-foot center cockpit project boat himself, and him and his wife, I believe, were working on it together, and it's similar to what we're doing. They had a boat project, hopes and dreams, everything all wrapped up in it, like a lot of us have, and for some reason or another, the engine decided to cease to function. So the project was ended, and he ended up scrapping the boat, which is, we never want to hear the story where the dream ended or the passion ran out or whatever for the project. But in this case, the boat was no longer worth the effort. Once the engine gave up on it, he ended the project and ended up scrapping the boat. And so this is where the port lights came from. And we will certainly put them to use. You know, he said if we can't use them, we can sell them and put, as long as the money goes back into the project. And so that's what we want to do. We want to make sure that we can find a use for these. If not, we will sell them, and we will take the money from that, and we will tell everybody what we spent the money on for the boat.
Yeah. And do you remember when we were searching the boat, we looked at the Irwin, and it was the Irwin that I first liked,
Yes.
Remember?
Yes, and I was even telling David that. I even told him that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we were shopping for an Irwin 52. We looked at one in Titusville, and that was the one where you said the search was over.
Yep.
I also was on business travel in Galveston, Texas, and I looked at an Irwin 52 down there as well. Yeah. And we really wanted an Irwin 52. It's just that they were priced a bit out of our budget. And if
out of state.
Yep, out of state location, transportation. If any of you follow the Azimuth channel, the Irwin 52 that they purchased was another one that we were actually considering. It was online. The channel Untie the Lines actually went and did a walkthrough on that Irwin 52 twice. And that was how we found that boat and started taking it under consideration. Yeah. So we've been looking. I mean, we've looked at a lot of boats other than just the ones we've listed on our videos. We've looked at quite a few other boats, and we were very attracted to the Irwin 52s.
Yeah, we were. So we're going to look at the boat that's like close to Irwin.
Yeah, yeah. So we understand the passion that you had for the Irwin project that you had, David, and we're sorry to hear that didn't work out, but I'm glad that we've been able to meet through our channel, and we hope to make more friends over time, same as we have with David. So we appreciate you guys sticking with us and taking the chance to watch this box. This is our very first unboxing. I know other channels do it a lot better than we do. This is our first time. Maybe we'll get another chance later on down the road. And if any of you want to reach out to us, our email is in the notes section. Yeah. So
we will get better as...
we will try.
We'll get better as more unboxing with the...
Yeah. We can always use more boat parts. We have a lot of big projects. Yeah. We have a lot of big projects ahead of us that we have no idea how we're going to fund those, and we just pay one step at a time. So whatever happens, happens, and we will be grateful for anything anybody wants to do to help us. We're not trying to ask, we're just letting you know we're open to it, right?
Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe down below. Bye!
Thanks a lot, David. We really appreciate it. And thank you to everybody who watched this. And we just appreciate all of you. Thanks again. See ya. So we have 2 of the medium-sized hatches. And we have 7 of the API port lights, which look exactly like the ones we have on our boat currently. So that's really nice. And then we have the larger size Bomar hatch here. So very nice. Wow. And then all the screens right here. So we have 5 screens. It's very nice. Once again, David, thank you very much. So nice. Baby and I just wanted to say thank you one more time, David. Just thank you so much for this wonderful gift. You give us these boat parts and we're going to find a use for them. If not, we'll do as you said. We'll sell them and put the money to good use on the project, and we'll let you and all the rest of the channel viewers know what we did with it. So thanks again. Dang, if I only hit record. Man.
I think you did.
Okay. So yeah, we just really want to say thanks to all of our longtime subscribers. And oh man.
Did you record
it? Man, I thought you were going to push the button this time. Is it on? Can you see the red light?
I did it. I think I did.
Oh, okay. Man, that was a lot of footage to shoot without hitting the button. Here, we'll do it.
It's already good to go.
Hang on. Okay.
Once already.
Man, how's that?
Are gonna put that down. Oh. I miss it.
Is it cutting?
Yeah, that's fun.
Okay. Oh, dang. I think I forgot to hit record.
Like always.
Oh, man. Is it recording?
No. I think you did. Or maybe not. Did we record it?
Hang on. Not yet.
Perfect!